Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to update the drivers on your Windows 11 computer. So, let's dive in. Firstly, to open the Device Manager, you can right-click on the Windows Start icon. You will see an option for Device Manager, which will open up a new window. Alternatively, you can search for Device Manager directly in the search bar or find it. Once you have the Device Manager open, you will see a list of various drivers like monitor, network adapters, and printer drivers. Suppose you want to update a specific driver, let's say a USB driver. Simply right-click on the driver and select Update Driver. You will be presented with options to either search automatically for drivers or update them manually. The automatic search will look for the latest driver online and update it for you. If you prefer to update manually, you can search for the driver online, download it, and then browse to the downloaded file to update it. Another option is to select from the list of available drivers on your computer. To check if your driver is outdated, right-click on the driver, go to Properties, and then click on Driver. Here, you will find the driver date. If the date is old, it's a good idea to update the driver to see if a newer version is available for your Windows 11 system. You can also view events to see when your device was configured and started. After successfully updating the driver, you will notice the updated driver details in the Device Manager. Keeping your drivers up to date ensures optimal performance and compatibility for your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.